Okay, guys, just seen a question from Lee. Little salute to you, kid. About how to put multiple charts on WebTrader platform. Now, there's two ways it can be done. You can have the same chart split into multiple time frames, or you can have various tabs. MT5 is dead easy. You just open up a load of tabs, press the button, and away you go. But let's have a quick look at this. Give me a second. Might be able to pull up MT5 as well. So if I pull down MT5, what you'll see along here is there's multiple tabs. There is a button here that if you press that, all those tabs will get put into order. Now, if I come back up to the top, you'll see there's a section called Window, which is here. And I'll just quickly show you this. Click that down. You've got Cascade, so you can put them all like that. You can have a tile, so you can run them in tiles. You can have them vertical, which is a good way to go if you're having multiple sections. Or you can just click that and it'll put them into a solid ratio. All right, so that's one way to do it on MT5. Now, when you're looking on WebTrader, which is what this one is, there is a little button up here, just on the top bar, which is a little plus sign. If you press the plus sign, it'll create a new workstation. Now you can call it whatever you want, test, whatever. Put a few products in. So if you're having a singular product, like say a cable for argument's sake, here, there is another button which is on this line here. So if you come away, you'll kind of see it. And there's a one there that says split chart. Ask it to split the chart and you can go either two charts, vertical, like so. You can change that to horizontal, like so. Three charts with the one at the bottom. And then four charts. And then what you can do in each one of the charts that it's put on is you can change the time frame. So you could have that one as a 4 hour, that one as maybe as a daily, an hour in the top corner, and then down into a trading one at 5 or whatever layout you want. Right, okay, so that's a singular chart with multiple time frames on it. Put it back to a single chart. But what about making a window of the world, okay? Or multiple charts sitting side by side. So we'll just put a couple on just to sort of show you the differences. Crude oil as well. Maybe these have 4. Okay, so now what we have across this top section here, you've got multiple tabs, which in this moment in time is pound JPY, oil, and US tech and cable. So there's like 4. Behind my head, let me just kind of pull this down a little bit so you can kind of see it. Let me just pull that to shot. You'll see there's a little button here. Okay, just move it, which is there. Okay, that button will split the chart into a cascade like so. Let me just widen this out so it makes the picture look nice. All right. Now what you can do is you can get hold of these and you can drag them about to wherever you want them to go. So you can drag that one there, this one underneath, put one up, say at the top, and then another one under there. And then just arrange them the way that it suits. Now this isn't automatic, you've got to do it manual, but they do kind of snap together if you pull them in. So like pulls to there and then that onto there. And then there you go. There's your chart layout and it can be whatever. Now I have mine on my main watch list. I have a window of the world like that so I can see what basic correlations are. So gold is correlated to the US. So I can see if there's any change there. This US JPY is closely correlated to Euro US and Pound US. I have the S&P 500 in this top corner, which is correlated to these indices, which are loosely correlated to these. And then in the bottom corner, I have my wild card, which is, I change that depending on what I happen to be trading for that particular week or month. And at the moment, it's Pound JPY. Sometimes you see it's oil. Sometimes you might even see US 100. But at the minute, that is the product of choice. So there you go, Lee. That's how you move things around. Hope that helps.